That's what's gonna go on my face. Huh? And sometimes you may need a comb too. That's just what it is. It just depends on who preaching. If you mess around and it's the last day of revival, you might want to go ahead and put the comb there. So they was like, bet. If you don't want this here, if it irks you, you just slide it on out. You got plans to shout next Tuesday, bam, you slide it back in. Y'all know how I cut my lace? Because I like to use my natural ear tabs, I don't have to do that now. Inspired by Kai. Come on. Come. Glasses approved. Perfectly conforms to the contour of the ears. Thanks to Miss Kai.
Get it, girl. Get it.
Baby, when I turn like this to the side with pride, you see this right here? You see how they do that? I need a dome cap that's gonna
lay with it, not play with it, okay?
I got a feeling that this wig is gonna be all right. Pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut. We gotta talk about this. Ooh, shit. Hey, cause hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slate today.
Hey.
To you with a slate today.
Let the church say subscribe.
Listen, we're gonna jump right into this because I got a feeling that this wig is gonna be all right.
Oh,
Look at your neighbor and say, all right.
All right now. Preach.
I'm gonna tell you something. I'm gonna tell you what I like about ISEE hair. Baby, they keep coming up with these upgrades. They the wig version of Let Me Upgrade You, okay? They be in the lab with that song playing. People don't know that. They keep their ear to the streets. And then they play that Beyonce in the background when they be in the lab working, and then that gives them the energy that they need to keep doing these upgrades. Because I'm like, what else y'all about to do? So I'm trying another one of their wigs, y'all. They done put in another upgrade. I believe this is called their M cap. Now I'm not saying it's named after Mary, but Mary does start with M. We just gonna hold that in our spirit. We just gonna claim it over this way, okay? It could stand for miraculous. It could stand for marvelous. It could be mysterious. Huh?
now if they come out with a K cap, I'ma know something.
Y'all know I love that kinky curly hair. It's no secret, okay? It's over with. That's no secret. So I had to try it with these upgrades. Now, last time that I tried their Tiny Knots wig, I was thoroughly impressed. The one thing that I said to them, I was like, you know what would be so dope? If you guys have a comb somewhere off up in the bike so people feel a little bit more secure. Just a little bit more security. Because over my way, we got people that shout. I don't know. I can't speak for them. We got people that shout and get happy. Now, if you shout, you just want to be secure. Even though their wigs are secure because they have that nice adjustable band. It depends on who preaching. Sometimes you may need a comb too. That's just what it is. It just depends on who preaching. If you mess around and it's the last day of revival, you might want to go ahead and put the comb there. So they was like, bet. Well, how about this? For the people who don't want the comb back there, and then the people who do want the comb back there, we'll give you some removable combs, huh? So you can attach it and detach it depending on who preaching. Okay. That's it. What more? But what else they said was, we improved that C part too around the ear. You remember the last time I was like, oh, they did the C shape around the ear so you don't have to cut. Y'all know how I cut my lace because I like to use my natural ear tabs? I don't have to do that now. Inspired by Kai. Come on. Come. Glasses approved. Perfectly conforms to the contour of the ears. Thanks to Miss Kai.
Get it, girl. Get it.
Now they call this the 3D dome cap because of the way it's shaped. It is perfect for foreheads like mine because it curves to the actual shape. And baby, when I turn like this to the side with pride, you see this right here? You see how they do that? I need a wig that can roll with my forehead. You got to be able to compliment this right here because it's knowledge all up and through there. You see that? It's knowledge all up and through there. People don't know. It's knowledge. So I need a dome cap that's going to
lay with it, not play with it, okay?
It has the tiny knots of the last wig. The tiny knots are literally single strand knots. So let me explain this because there was a little bit of confusion last time. Tiny knots are literally one little single strand. It's so small. It helps with the seamlessness of the wig, okay? That on top of the fact that it's pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut. I'm going to tell you something about that lace too in a minute. Some people was like, well, that's beautiful because when you typically make wigs, they put like 2-3 strands in one knot, to make it full. So then y'all, and rightfully so, y'all was like, well, am I going to look like a bald head scallywag? Like I'm stressed out with a whole lot of doubt? No, you're not going to look like that. Because what they do is when you use 2 and 3 pieces of hair for one little lace hole, you skip like 3-4 lace holes before you go to the next one, because then you don't want to have too much hair, right? Well, when they use the tiny knots, they only skip 1 lace hole. So it compensates for the fact that they're only using 1 strand of hair. You get me? You're not going to look like a bald head scallywag. You're going to have all your hair in the back, okay? It's mathematics to it. It really is. People don't know that. Let's talk about the lace, and I'm going to show you this wig. I know y'all probably like, girl, let me see it. Let me see it. I'm about to let y'all see it. So I don't know what to call this lace. I don't feel like I can call it a closure anymore. I don't think that's right. You know, closures start off, they give you the little space. Standard is 4x4. 4 inches of lace going across, 4 inches going by. Not my favorite, because y'all know I like me a nice ignorant part. Then you get 5x5. They giving you another inch going across, another inch going back. That's my standard. That I need at least 5. I need at least 5. I'm sorry. I need at least 5. I can work with it if it's a real cute wig and it's a 4x4. I'm gonna make it do what it do. But if I had my preference,
You gotta at least put 5 on it.
why ISEE hair do a whole 9x6? Now, do you feel comfortable calling that a closure? It's not yet a frontal, but is it still a closure? We need a new word off up in the middle of that, y'all. A XL closure or something. They giving frontal vibes, but not yet. But a little bit kind of almost there. But Sister Brandy prophesied almost doesn't count. But in this case, I think it counts a little bit. Tell me in the comments. We need something that's in between the closure and the frontal, because because you don't want to have to deal with lace sometimes all the way. You don't want to have to deal with it from ear to ear sometimes, right? But then some closures be so small and ignorant, you like, I can't get my little Leah part off to the side. You can get a little bit to the side, but it can't be with pride. Let's look at this. Hold a minute. They come in with that package sauce. The package sauce. Package sauce. Package sauce. Hey, package sauce. Package sauce. Hey. Princess Collection. ISEE hair is coming with that fire. Y'all see that? I hope it's not upside down. Was it right? And you already know they're coming with the gifts. Okay, now let me put this to the side with pride. Replacement accessories. Come on, ISEE hair. Elastic with the grips, the no slip grips, y'all. There's 3 combs and 1 elastic band. Bam, that's a long one. That one is probably for the bike. And then there's 2 small ones. These are the replacements, okay? Ooh. Y'all just look at that. Come on, that's what's gonna go on my face. This is it. You already know. We've already talked about this. Let me show you. This is a removable comb in the bike. You see that? If you don't want this here, if it irks you, you just slide it on out. You got plans to shout next Tuesday, bam, you slide it back in. Y'all, it's nothing else that needs to be said. Hey. Y'all, I may not cut that lace. Let's take advantage of this 9x6. This part about to be. Oh my gosh. Come on with the upgrades. Why are y'all doing this to me? Yeah, look at this. Y'all, I ain't even put no water on it yet, honey. I'm so impressed. Ooh, wait. Honey, let me throw a little color on here and throw some water on and see what we're working with. I'm about to show y'all. Right now. Hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun. I'm about to work this. It's about to be so easy. Y'all, this is very beginner friendly. You can run to the post office like this. Let's get it.